Good morning, YouTubers. I'm doing like a little seafood boil this morning with some crab. You can see the crab, lots of crab, and you see vegetable, sweet pepper, onion, scallion, garlic, pepper, the bell pepper, potato, carrot, and lots of corn inside there already. You can see the corn them. Lots of corn. Lots of corn. Okay? Look at it. So, I'm about to put in my vegetable them inside there now. So what I want you to do, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend. Tell a friend. This is the way Auntie Claire do her seafood boil. So just like it, share, comments, subscribe down the bottom. Tell a friend, touch the notice button. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the way we do our seafood boil. Look at it. Ain't it beautiful? Beautiful. Right? Lots more to go inside here. We have more broccoli, carrot, cauliflower, all of these things is going inside here. So you can look, lots, right? Lots of it. Bell pepper, everything, okay? You can see, right? Yes. So just like it up, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the way Auntie Claire do her seafood boil. So just like it, share, and subscribe. When you taste, you tell grandma, brother, sister, this is the way. Look at it. Beautiful, ain't it? Yeah. Lots of crab. Eat, enjoy it. Right? This is the way we do our seafood boil. Right? So just like it up and share and subscribe to it. Season and love with love. And we're gonna put in some egg. We have some egg also. I have my eggs them in here. Look at the eggs them. This is the egg them. Yes. We're gonna drop them in soon when they finish. Okay? So just like it up and share. Subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the way Auntie Claire do her seafood boil. Okay, ain't it? Yeah man, like it up and subscribe. Lots of corn and everything. So, comments, subscribe. Don't forget to touch the notice button. Tell a friend. We don't charge for that. Nothing charged for. Just like it up. Look at it. And beautiful? Yes. Yeah. Ain't it beautiful? Yeah. Beautiful thing. Just like it and share. Yeah. Look at it. Yeah. Eating some white rice we're doing today. We're doing white rice. Yes. Okay? Yes. So just like share it up. Yeah. Whoa. Stop it hot. Beautiful shelly white rice. Shelly white rice. You can see it, how beautiful it is. Yeah. Yeah. It's coming there. It is there for everyone to like, share, and subscribe to it. Right? Look at it. I don't want to overbridge it every time. Boil out, select the crab. Take its course. Yeah. You can see. Yeah. Wow. Yes. Look at that now. Ain't it beautiful? Yeah, man. Wow. Wow. Or a little bit oil to come down. When it's boiling come down, you just put in some more broccoli, cauliflower, and those stuff. Okay? And we have a beautiful eat. Children them will enjoy it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. So we go on video. Yes. Now we're pouring some more vegetable. You can see now. It's all moving. Yeah. Don't look on there. Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah. I drop my head in there. Drop my head in there. And just take them out and just like that, you know? Wow. I'm gonna close it now. Nice. Isn't it beautiful? turn it off now, yeah? Yes.